Hi kids, and welcome to Crayons and Pencils. Today we are going to learn how to do a rock painting. For this we need a smooth round shaped rock, a brush and some colors like yellow, red and black color. I'm going to show a happy smiley shaped rock. I'm going to color whole rock with yellow color. Put down a piece of paper or waste cloth to protect the surface. And before doing the painting, we have to wash the rock and allow it to dry. Color the whole rock with yellow color. This is the best indoor activity for the kids of all ages. After painting the rock, we have to dry it. It has to be dry in such a way that the paint should not stick to our fingers. Like this. Now, with the help of pencil, I'm going to draw two oval shapes for the eyes. And a curved line starting from here to there. And tiny sleeping lines on each edge. And a small heart shape right there. Wash your brush and dip in the black color to color the eyes and the curved line. Hold the brush properly. And red color for the heart shape. That's all kids, we all done. Isn't it pretty? Did you enjoy doing painting? You can give this to your mom or to your loved ones on any occasion. I'm sure they will love it. Or you can decorate your garden with your rock paintings. enjoyed a lot doing rock painting. Hope you like watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel for more new videos. Thank you, kids. Bye bye. See you soon.